Hello there, my name is Ian Smith, and welcome to my first video in a series of YouTube videos designed and aimed to help you fix, or at the very least, better understand your personal computer. Today, I'm going to be starting at the basics of where to start buying computer parts and what computer parts you should be buying. Now, before you pull the trigger on purchasing parts, I highly recommend you do some research into them and what type of rig you're wanting. Better understand the hardware and what type of software you want to get, especially, if you want like a newer version of Windows, an older version of Windows, or even if you want to just use like a temporary copy for a little while, Keeping lists of these parts is generally going to be for your benefactors for later down the line when you want to do upgrades or things like that. Personally, for me, I failed to do that. When I bought my computer, I instantly threw away the boxes, and I just kept the parts and just put it together. Never really gave that any thought. Therefore, the only box I kept, and the only one I have record of, is my motherboard. All the other parts, I really don't know what they are unless I open it up. That puts me at a big disadvantage if I want to upgrade it for a video game. So, if you're doing something along the lines of I am, always keep a list of your parts, or take the easy route and just save the boxes altogether.
Another major thing I recommend looking into is your computer's operating system. I highly recommend using a licensed copy of Windows to prevent any hiccups down the line. However, you can use a temporary one to get you off the line. I only recommend this for temporary usage, as they aren't as stable, and if something happens, you can't really save what you had. This is what happened with me. I was working with let's say a borrowed copy of Windows 7, and what happened was I accidentally unplugged something, and I completely lost the system, and ended up having to buy Windows 10. So, no matter what, I would highly recommend buying Windows 10. It's a great operating system, and most PCs use it. If you want to learn more about your PC's operating system, let's say you're already using Windows 10, I recommend just fiddling around with it, see what you can find in the sidebars and over here, such as in your systems and other things around your computer. I also recommend checking out websites. I found one called Laptop Mag. Here it is. I'll put a link in the description down below for you to check them out yourself. But it's just a website that has general information about laptops and PCs that you can easily use to find out more about Windows and how to properly use it.
Another website I can highly recommend is PC Part Picker. It's a website that allows you to customize a PC and make sure that you have all the parts that you need to put one together properly. Also, before you build one, I would also make sure to consider location of your PC as a major factor, as you want to get it near an Ethernet cable so you can get good Wi-Fi connection, as bad Wi-Fi connection can be a real buzzkill when gaming. Also, think about other small details such as your desk and lighting, as those also do play another role. And that's just about it for the video. And before I sign off, make sure you stay tuned and make sure to catch the next video.